Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll be discussing about the monetary policy that has come. So in this policy, how it will affect the stock market plus how it will affect the banks and financial institution. So I'll be discussing this in my video. So as per the monetary policy, I'll tell you the sequence how CRR, interest rate, everything works. As you can see, the RBI increases CRR, bank have less money for lending business. Okay, then bank need to increase lending rates to maintain profit margin. Increase in interest rates in market, customers borrow less money, and then interest rate rise. In the same way, inflation and then demand, this is how it goes. It is the flow. So I will tell you what is reverse repo rate and repo rate. As you can see, reserve repo rate is more deposit from bank and commercial bank, less cash to lend to borrowers. In the same way, the repo rate is just the opposite of this. So what it do is, Reserve Bank of India lends to bank and the commercial bank more cash to lend to the borrowers. In the same way, this cycle goes for the repo rates and reverse repo rate. So what happened in this, if they have increased or decreased, it affects the bank as well as the investors and financial institution. But what happened, so the Reserve Bank of India and monetary policy has come. So what it has affected and what has come, the RBI haven't changed anything in repo rate and reserve repo rate. So the effect which is on the individual as well as for the banks and the stock market, that it has not changed anything. So the customers have to pay the same EMI, nothing will gonna change for them. As we know, the GDP will be in negative this month, this year, or so this quarter. So what the thing is that, so this is why the RBI has not changed the repo rate and reserve repo rate, as so that the business or MSME should grow, so that they should not feel the burden, as well as the individuals who are salaried person or business person, they should also not get so much burden on themselves, so they can pay the EMI. There should not be increase in the EMI as such. So, and one more thing what the government has did, that it is restructuring the loan of MSME. So what will happen in this, that till March 2021 it will restructure the MSME, how the loan will be given to them and what all things will be, so that they can grow. As the large industry does not have to face so much, but the MSME has a lot of things to cover. As the lockdown has come because of the corona, the business has gone so much fluctuating, as well as they are not able to make money because of this lockdown. But in case of large enterprises, they are still surviving. There's nothing, as you know, that Reliance has made so much money in the lockdown. And what else government has did, that it has in liquidity, they have increased 10,000 crores they have invested in the NBFCs and housing companies, so that the inflow of liquidity should be there. Okay, so what is the benefit? That is why the, what do we call, the stock market is increasing. This is why, because as you know that the GDP has been negative this quarter. This is why the RBI governor has did that it should increase. That's why the stock market is increasing, and the burden of the people plus MSME will not be increased, and so that the next quarter will be good for them as well as for every individual. till the time this corona period get over, then everybody will be in good position and pay their EMI, so that then they will change their repo rate and reverse repo rate, so the economy will revive more. This is my view, that this monetary policy is good and it is creating a good impact on the stock market as well as for the individual who are employed or doing business. The way of loan given to the MSME, plus they will structure how the loan has to be given to them, plus how the EMI will be decided. Now after the next monetary policy will come, that will decide the change in the EMI, so that till the time I think the corona effect will also be vanished. So this is for this monetary policy. The stock market, I feel that there's a positive in the stock market because of this monetary policy, because no burden is given to MSME nor individual, nothing. This is a proper monetary policy that has come, not affecting anything, nor SLR, CRR, repo rate, reserve repo rate, all are good. So overall I feel the monetary policy is good. There's no change in the repo rate and reverse repo rate. So that's for all in this video. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. If you like the video, please like, and if you want to see next video, please press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. Thank you.